shoveling the snow. And I just came outside. But I'm about to go to Dollar Tree real quick. And I gotta go get some chicken because I don't got no chicken. Oh, child. I came outside with my other boots and I'm like, let me turn back because these boots are not for the snow. I have to go back and change my rain boots. These are some Uggs too. My sister bought these for me. Oh shit. I almost dropped. This is too much. This shit dragging me back. Oh, look at the garbage truck. But that's what I tell you when the snow be dragging you back. That's what I mean. Look how long it took me to get out of this. And then we're gonna go in there again. Can I see it? Clear path. See? Told you, people gotta make room for people to walk. No. Ooh. Oh, crap. And it's windy as hell. I'll try to go on the street, but it's not gonna happen. Oh, Lord of mercy. I hear that wind. Oh, face. Oh, that's where I just came from. This car stuck. You're gonna have to do a lot of digging to come out. He or she, whoever car it is. I have to do a lot of. Is that a wheel? That is a wheel. But Lord, I'm just a walk. Okay. It's the streets. It's my block. I cannot walk over there. I'm gonna have to walk in the street. Because I refuse to walk over there. You see how over there, like it's not touched? I'm not doing that. I'm walking in the street until I could, find somewhere to walk. But, alright. See a car coming. Yeah, I hear the shoveling, right? People outside, they're not playing. I bet my brothers, they did that already, and my father. Because my father don't play. He ain't trying to get fined. Oh, look at this. Okay. That's a walk path. That's a sidewalk. Okay, I'm gonna walk over there. That's not how deep it is. Can't see how deep. Come on, guy. You can pass. Because I don't have to wait until you pass. Oh, man. I'm just a walk. Oh, shit. OMG. Why is he stopping?
Lila?
No. I'm like, why is he stopping? I'm trying to wait for you to pass. I guess he was trying to pick somebody up. Ooh. Ooh. This is summer. No, the houses. This is a one way, by the way. Me in the car only come from that way, so I'm good behind me. Yeah, there go. You see them? What do you call them? Garbage trucks. The plow. They clear the streets, well, somewhat clear the street, so the cars could drive. But I guess they didn't come on this block yet because this block is still coming behind me. This block is still full of snow. I just came outside with this phone that I have literally on 95%, and then as I was recording, the phone shuts off. Like when it's cold, the phone shut off. So now this shit is on 10%. I'm in Dollar Tree because I came over here. So I took the bus to come all the way over here to get chicken because my supermarket don't have the chicken I want. And I usually go there and buy the chicken. That's why I went to go look for oxtail, and I was like, no. But they usually had oxtail on sale sometimes, but recently there's nothing on sale. But I'm in this Dollar Tree. This is the Dollar Tree my mom used to go to. I came here with her before, and this Dollar Tree just always full. The one by my house is just, they always missing something. But look what I'm about to get. Brown rice. I'm gonna try it. I don't like it, but I'm gonna try to eat it because I'm not trying to cut out rice. So my substitutions have to go be brown rice. This is what I put on my toast the other day when I make the guacamole thing. Where did I put it? I just have it in my hand. Oh, it's something there. Oh, this is what I put on my sandwich the other day. Guacamole dip. I always eat it with bread or whatever. Basically, pear. I mean avocado. Avocado here. It's simple. So it's already mashed up and everything. And they have the cheddar one. This, oh no, this is a jalapeno, and this one is a cheddar one. But look what I just saw something. Oh wait. The crab chip. What's that about? Let me show you this popcorn right here. Let me show itself. We can't even reach it. Okay. This popcorn is the bomb. I have one in the house already. Almost finished. So I'm not buying one. And oh, they have the onion, the French onion dip. Yeah, I don't eat that. Already. Didn't I show y'all this in the other vlog? My first vlog? I don't remember, but they have a lot of cooking utensils in here. That's where I come to buy my stuff, because why not? Dollar Tree got everything you need. Yeah, but they did go up to $1.25. Just 25 cents more. Ain't nothing to it. Oh, wow. This is a new one. I don't see this one before. Also, oh, zero sugar. Ooh. You know when you want something sweet to drink, but you don't want to use sugar. Oh, they got the watermelon one too. Yes. Okay, I usually buy this one. these two right here. No, it's strawberry lemonade and lemonade I usually buy. I don't think I tried that one yet. But I usually put these in a bottle of water, just like the you know, put these in a bottle of water and drink. It's both the sugar free. Cause I'll be feeling for something sweet, but I don't want to drink anything sugary. You know what I'm saying? So I think I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna phone there. Let me just see. Look on this. Look at these frozen icy stuff. I'm saying this Dollar Tree always have better stuff than the one that's by my house. So I usually come here. Sugar. You see that? 26 grams of sugar. Another look at something here. Why gotta be so much sugar? Look. These are patties I was talking about. These are the golden plus on there. It is actually real golden plus these patties. And it tastes the same. Okay, they have the chicken one here, which is the curry chicken one. And they have usually, oh yeah, the jerk one. Yeah. I just usually buy. This is a curry one time. I usually eat the beef and the jerk. So we stop by the beef and buy the jerk one because it tastes better. And they had the vegetable one too, but I don't see it. I haven't seen the vegetable one in a while. I don't know why they stopped with the vegetable one. Actually real jerk chicken pie. I'm gonna get one. This is where I buy my smoothie stuff to make my smoothie. Oh, it's the same one. What else? This one. And mango. Mango, right? Yeah, mango. I just never really tried this by itself. Have I? No, I tried this one before. The papaya and everything else. I never tried the mango by itself. This is not go to one or just plain blueberries and strawberries. I'm not gonna put it in figure, but I don't see the plain strawberries or blueberries. Where is it? I'm just gonna get two of these because I don't see no strawberries. There we go. Got eggs and cheese and stuff. These water right here is like 6 coming. Somebody opened it to about one. But 6 coming there and it's $1. $1.25 now. Look at the bathroom section though. You got the bath bombs and stuff. You got different stuff in this section. Hey, I'm gonna go because I gotta go to the supermarket. I need this thing to clean my floors. I need these to clean my floors. So, damn, how much money is that? Ooh, child. This detangle spray works. I need it because the one I have home now is like literally water. It was a little bit left in there and I had water to it, and that's why I'm using it. Look at this. Olive Garden. They have Olive Garden stuff in here. But yeah, I said, how you say this? Worcestershire. Is it? Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. I don't know if I'm saying it right. That was a long ass word. They have the Cheetos in here. The Cheetos mac and cheese. That tastes good. I need to try that. I eat that all day. I would buy all 3 of them. This is all y'all should be using. I should not be using regular salt. Just it's more healthier. If y'all still using white salt, I don't know. Because I thought people had been stopped using that. I got the right boots on, so I could just step in this damn snow and get it over with. I don't have time. Boy. Right here, not so bad. I used to live over here a long time ago, like years ago. But so I know this area, like, you know. This bus goes to the airport, JFK. Literally, like, past where I just came from. On the bus. Well, when I got on the bus. So I pass all the way by my stop and then go to the airport. I took the bus to the airport one time. And I was like, never again. Never again. It was too much. So from now, I just started taking cabs. Take taxi instead. Outside. I was come outside today because I haven't eaten chicken in, is it 2 weeks? This week, yeah, this week we make 2 weeks. The whole last week I didn't eat no chicken. And I'm the type of person, I used to cook at least curry chicken once a week. And I'm cooking chicken at least 2 or 3 times of the week. So I haven't been cooking chicken lately, and I don't know why, because I love chicken. And I didn't have no chicken, so I'm like, let me go outside. Like I said, the chicken I want, they don't have it up where I live at. Even though one is it's hard to clean, but it's worth it. There's a lot of chicken coming about. But chicken flags, they usually drop stuff sometimes. That's why this bunch of flags is right there. And I freeze. But this chancey with Jada and Spice. This was last week, right? I think. Yeah, that was last week. Right here. Oh.
Look, they have oxtail. I don't think much for cook soup today, but I really want some chicken, so this is the chicken I came for, this one, in the bag. There's a lot of seed. Price is, and it's like, I don't remember how many pieces, but it's a good amount. So I'd rather get that.
Thing you gotta go through is when the buses don't be on time when it's snowing. The buses be late. And my hand is freezing and I got these gloves on. My hand is cold. But I've been saying 4 minutes and 4 minutes back. Don't know. Bravo right there. The next block. When you cross the street is right there. It must take forever, man. Sure. Man, it's freezing. You gotta wear some leggings under these jeans because I'm walking through the projects to go to my house. All of these buildings are project buildings. Okay. Let's go. Man, it's freezing. Can't reach inside. Me not come back outside until Monday. Here. I am not coming back outside until Monday. But I had to get chicken today. I just had to. We need it. But oh my god. Yo. Whew. Oh crap. It is so hard to walk in this damn snow, man. Look at the park. The park is full of snow. I'm gonna take my easy time and the easy way and walk this way. But yeah, see y'all later, guys. I'm just freezing. Whew. I have to take a break. I'm almost home. Those are hours. Off the street though. You gonna have a hard time coming up. But yeah, that's set up. Look. God, right here is clear. My favorites, some rice and some dumplings because me want two of them. Okay, so my dinner is ready. Some wheat dumplings with some curry chicken. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna tear this up.